So in this lecture session, let us revisit 1's complement subtraction. That is, how do we subtract two binary numbers by performing addition? Now when we want to perform 1's complement subtraction, we observe two cases. In the first case, where we subtract a smaller number from a larger number, that is larger minus smaller, giving us a positive result. So let us see how we need to perform a larger number minus smaller number using 1's complement subtraction. So let the larger number be 1, 0, 1, 1 and the smaller number be 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Right? So this is 11 in decimal and this is 5 in decimal. So the answer should be 6. 11 minus 5 is 6. The larger number is called as minuend and the smaller number is called as subtrahend. So when we need to perform subtraction using 1's complement, what we need to do is find the 1's complement of the small. Finding the 1's complement is basically to replace zeros by 1's or 1's by zeros. So 0, 1, 0, 1 becomes 1, 0, 1, 0, or it is basically to subtract 0, 1, 0, 1 from all 1's. 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 0, 1. So we get the same result. So the easier way is to replace 1's by zeros and zeros by 1's. So then we have 1, 0, 1, 1. Now perform addition. As I said, 1's complement subtraction is to subtract two numbers by performing addition. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with a 1 carry. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with a 1 carry. Now this carry has to be added. So when we add, we get 1 plus 1 is 0 with a 1 carry. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1, 0. So this is 6 in decimal. So we have got the result. So what are the steps? Steps for larger minus smaller. Step 1, find 1's complement of smaller number. That's the step 1. Second, perform addition. So what do we add? The larger number and the 1's complement of the smaller number. So when we add, we always get a carry. A carry is generated. Step 3, add the carry. That is what we did. Add the carry to the result to obtain the final answer. So here, what is step 1? Find 1's complement of the smaller number. That is what we have done. Add the larger number with the 1's complement of the smaller number. A carry is always generated. The carry is added to this result and the final answer gives the larger number minus smaller number. And the result is always positive because it is large minus small. So let's take another example. Second example, 1100 minus 0011. 1, 1, this is 8 plus 4, which is 12 in decimal, and this is 3 in decimal. So 12 minus 3 would give me 9. So according to step 1, find the 1's complement of the smaller number. So 1100 is the larger number. Replace zeros by 1's and 1's by zeros. So we get 1100. Add both of them. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0 with a 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 3, which is 1 with a 1 carry. So this carry is added. So I get 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is 9, isn't it? This stands for, this is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So 2 power 3 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So we get the result. For case 2, consider a smaller number minus larger number, and the result will definitely be negative. So let's consider a smaller number, 0, 1, 0, 0 minus 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is 4 in decimal, this is 8 in decimal. So we need to get 4 with a negative sign. So again, step 1, the smaller number is written as it is. Find the 1's complement of the larger number. So here 1's complement, so you get 0, 1, 1, 1. So replacing zeros by 1's and 1's by zeros, we need to add both of them. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a 1 carry, you get 1. When the result is negative, there is no carry generated, and the answer is in 1's complement form. Find 1's complement of this result. So 0, 1, 0, 0 is the final answer, and we need to attach a negative sign. So 0, 1, 0, 0 is 4 in decimal, and we have to attach a negative sign. So what are the steps? Step 1, find 1's complement of larger number. Right, this is for small minus large. Step 2, add both of them. Add the smaller number plus 1's complement of larger number. Step 3, no carry generated, and the result is in 1's complement form. So to get the exact result, again find 1's complement. So that is what we did. We did find 1's complement of this. So find 1's complement and attach a negative sign. So we got 0, 1, 0, 0, and we did attach a negative sign because a smaller number minus larger number will give us a negative result. So let's take another example. So I have taken 3 in decimal minus 4 in decimal, which should give me minus 1. So the smaller number written as it is, find 1's complement of the larger number, 1, 0, 1, 1. These two are added, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a 1 carry, 3 1's, you get 1 with a 1 carry, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1. So this is in 1's complement. Find the 1's complement, 0, 0, 0, 1, and attach a negative sign. So we have got minus 1. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So this is the way to subtract two binary numbers using 1's complement. There are two cases. You get large minus smaller number resulting in a positive number, or a smaller minus larger number resulting in a negative answer. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notifications of all the further uploads, and thanks for watching.